Types of tigers in the world. Tigers belong to the largest of the cat species. They can reach the length of 3.3 meters or 11 feet and can get as heavy as 306 kilograms or 670 pounds, while also gifted with enough bounding energy to catch their prey. You can easily recognize the tiger through the dark stripes that are stamped on its orange-red fur. The combination creates a sharp contrast, but the overall effect still allows the tiger to lurk in silence. Though attractive, the tiger can be dangerous to its prey, with its significantly large teeth and long canines, which can reach 74.5 mm or 2.93 inches at their crown height. Tigers originate from the Asian continent and are not native to Africa as is often believed. There are Chinese and Bengal tigers that have been resettled into Africa. These animals are commonly released from zoos and introduced for the purpose of extending the survival and habitat of their species. Before going ahead, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos. Here presents some types of tigers. 1. Siberian tigers. Siberian tigers are muscular, packed with large heads and powerful forelimbs. Their colors vary from orange to brown that are splashed with white areas and black stripes. Their faces have long whiskers that are longer in male tigers, featuring eyes that don rounded pupils that have been accentuated by yellow irises. The ears, however, are small and rounded with black markings that surround white areas called ocelli, which are not decorative but actually contribute to communication within the species. The stripe pattern is different in each tiger. The markings are so unique, like human fingerprints, that researchers actually use them to identify a particular tiger. You may have heard of scientists trying to follow up what has happened to one particular tiger they have encountered before. The stripes could also be used as a means of camouflage, which is advantageous when they silently follow and pounce at their prey. The tiger, among large cats, has the most varied size even when compared to leopards and lions. 2. Bengal tigers. The tiger has 9 subspecies. 3 of these are already extinct. The historical range of tigers all across Asia is now significantly smaller. The surviving subspecies of the Panthera tigris, which is popularly known by its common name, Bengal tiger, can be found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India and Nepal. It is still the subspecies with the most living individuals left, even with its mere 2,500 adult tiger population. Bengal tigers can be found in alluvial grasslands, rainforests of both the tropical and subtropical kinds, mangroves, deciduous forests and scrub forests. Male Bengal tigers can reach up to 270 to 310 centimeters while the females reach up to 240 to 265 centimeters. The males are also heavier, at 175 to 260 kilograms, while the females weigh around 100 to 181 kilograms. Places also have an effect on the weight and length of the Bengal tiger, with those living in Nepal and India growing to become the largest bunch. 3. Indochinese tigers. The Panthera tigris corbati, more commonly known as the Indochinese tiger, can be found in several Asian countries such as Burma, Cambodia, Laos, China, Vietnam and Thailand. They are darker in color and smaller in size than Bengal tigers, but they are not lightweights either, with their capacity to reach the maximum weight of 420 pounds for males and 310 pounds for females. Indochinese tigers prefer to live in forests in areas that are either hilly or mountainous. There aren't a lot of these tigers anymore. The government estimates the subspecies population to be at a mere 350. Even those that have been left behind are still in danger of being poached or even of starving due to the fact that their primary choice of prey, such as wild pigs and deer, are decreasing. In Vietnam, about 75% of the tigers have been poached to serve as Chinese pharmacy stock. 4. Malayan tigers. The Panthera tigris jacksoni, otherwise known as the Malayan tiger, can only be found in the south of the Malay Peninsula. The Malayan tiger was only recognized as a subspecies in 2004. A research conducted by Luo and others, from the Laboratory of Genomic Diversity Study, came up with the new subspecies classification. There are about 500 still living Malayan tigers, but they are endangered by poaching. These are the smallest subspecies on the mainland and even the second smallest living tiger subspecies. The males average at 120 kilograms while the females average at about 100 kilograms. Note that the Malayan tiger has a cultural significance in Malaysia as it has made it to the country's coat of arms. It is also the logo of Maybank. 5. Sumatran tiger. The Panthera tigris sumatrae, commonly known as the Sumatran tiger, can only be found in Sumatra, which is an Indonesian island. If you think the other subspecies are in danger of extinction, this particular subspecies has reached the critical point. Sumatran tigers are the smallest of all living subspecies of the tiger. Adult males weigh between 100 and 140 kilograms and the females weigh 75 to 110 kilograms. This subspecies is small because it adapts to the dense forests of Sumatra. The prey available on the island is also small, which does not do much for the Sumatran tiger's build. While the population of Sumatran tigers in the wild are around 400 to 500, which is similar to that of other subspecies, genetic testing has shown that the Sumatran tiger may develop or evolve into a different species altogether if it even manages to evade extinction. Because of this fact, there have been suggestions that the particular subspecies should be prioritized when it comes to conserving tiger subspecies. Habitat destruction is still considered to be the main threat to the Sumatran tiger population. However, there are also records of tigers being killed by shooting near the end of the 20th century. Those shot and killed made up 20% of the population. 6. South China tigers. Panthera tigris amiensis, also known as the South China tiger, is actually the most endangered tiger subspecies. They are even more endangered than the Sumatran tigers, which are already heavily watched by conservationists. The South China tiger has even made the list of the world's 10 most endangered species. The South China tiger belongs to a group of smaller tiger subspecies, with lengths spanning from 2.2 to 2.6 meters. The range of the length of South China tigers is true for both male and female tigers. Males have a weight range of 127 to 177 kilograms. Females, on the other hand, have a weight range of 100 to 118 kilograms. The Chinese government made it a law to ban the killing of tigers in 1977. This could be a move that was just a little too late because of the possibility of the wild tigers being already extinct. If they are extinct, then there may be less than 100 South China tigers left, 59 of which are known to be captives. These tigers are believed to be the offspring of only 6 animals. This is bad news because in order for the subspecies to continue to exist, genetic diversity is needed. There are no efforts to breed the tigers to speak of right now, anyway, and no efforts to bring the tigers back to their natural habitats. Some of the other subspecies tigers are actually a lot rarer and may even be extinct. 7. Bali tigers. Some tiger subspecies may still be mentioned in books, but they have already been extinct as habitats continue to be destroyed. The Panthera tigris balica, which is popularly known as the Bali tiger, used to be limited to Bali, which is an Indonesian island. When it still existed, the Bali tiger was the smallest tiger subspecies, with the males weighing 90 to 100 kilograms and the females weighing 65 to 80 kilograms. It is unfortunate that people can no longer appreciate the beauty of a Bali tiger in its compact size. The tigers have become extinct because of hunting. The last of its kind, which is an adult female, was believed to have been hunted and killed in Sumbar Kema. 8. Caspian tigers. The Panthera tigris virgata is better known as the Caspian tiger as well as under other names, such as the Hyrcanian or the Turun tiger. This tiger subspecies used to be found in sparse forests. It was also found south and west of the Caspian Sea. At least, it was still sighted in the wild up to the early 1970s. The closest living subspecies to the Caspian tiger is the Amur tiger. 9. Javan tigers. The Panthera tigris sondica, otherwise known as the Javan tiger, used to live only on the island that it was named after. Sightings have been recorded up to the middle part of the 1970s. The tigers in these subspecies are bigger than Bali tigers, with the males weighing 100 to 140 kilograms and the females weighing 75 to 115 kilograms. Sadly, the Javan tiger has no longer been sighted after 1979 when it was last seen around the Mount Betiri area. 10. White tigers. The white tiger is produced with the help of the allele called chinchilla albinistic and is rather a rare sighting in the wild. It has, however, a very attractive color, which makes it a popular choice in zoo breeding. White tigers were first bred back in the early 19th century. They can result from two parent tigers that carry the rare gene that are present in white tigers. This gene is so rare that it occurs only once every 10,000 births. White tigers are only produced when both parent tigers carry the rare gene. 11. Golden tigers. Another recessive gene can result into an interesting golden hue. The color is sometimes called golden tabby and also sometimes called strawberry. Golden tigers actually have gold-colored fur, with pale orange stripes and supported by strong but pale-colored legs. They have thicker fur than what is usual for tigers. As of the last count, there are only around 30 golden tigers that are held captive. Golden tigers, like white tigers, are also part Bengal. In fact, some of them come with the white tiger gene. So, it is possible that when two golden tigers mate, they can end up producing a white tiger with no stripes. Just like the white tiger, the golden tiger is also larger than the average Bengal tiger. 12. Tigers with other colors. Other colors of tigers have been reported. There have been reports of a black tiger, but none of these are authenticated except perhaps a Chittagong dead specimen back in 1846. Blue or slate-colored tigers have been heard of but not really confirmed. These tigers are called Maltese tigers. Another unconfirmed tiger color is predominantly black. If such a tiger exists, it may be a mutation instead of a separate, distinct species. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.